Hey there, Billy Tarasio, modern law, Arizona family law attorney, and we need to talk about the details of this new spousal maintenance calculator and the new spousal maintenance guidelines here in Arizona. They mark the biggest change to Arizona family law since I started practicing here, and the whole landscape of divorce is changing. So first, what the heck happened? Well, in September of 2022, the legislature changed the law on spousal maintenance. So you'll find the spousal maintenance statute is ARS 25319. And the statute used to say you still have to qualify under Part A, and then there's factors under Part B. So under Part A, there's 5 ways that you can qualify for spousal maintenance. That has not changed. Although one of the ways that you qualify is if you're unable to meet your reasonable needs without spousal maintenance, which is kind of a catch-all because many people are not able to maintain their lifestyle if you're the lower income earner after you are getting a divorce. So many people are going to qualify for spousal maintenance. The big difference here is that under B, what it used to say is that the judge gets to determine if there's a spousal maintenance award for a duration and an amount that this judge deems just or fair or right under the circumstances. What that meant was we were getting awards all over the place. From the same set of facts could get you very different spousal maintenance awards depending on what judge you were in front of. Now, what the statute says is that a judge must order spousal maintenance pursuant to the guidelines, and the guidelines were ordered to be developed. They have now been developed, and there is a calculator that is now available, and now it is not discretionary. Now spousal maintenance has to be ordered pursuant to these guidelines. Now the calculator gives you a range of a low, medium, and high range on spousal maintenance. And then it also tells us about the duration of the award that the judge is allowed to order under the specific case. The judge has to either choose a number within that range and a duration in the guidelines, or they have to make findings for a deviation. And that is unusual. So most of the time, what we're going to see is awards within the calculator and within the range. So what we're going to talk about in this next series is how to apply these guidelines, what goes into the calculator, what the numbers are for, how to get a modification, how temporary orders works, what's income, and how long are you going to actually be getting spousal maintenance. So go ahead and follow for part 2.